sure.
Yeah. What about with the manufacturing rep model? Because I've heard in different ways in the industry, some principals or manufacturing companies are saying, yeah, we're a big believer, right? And then there's others saying, no way, this is a dying, dinosaur that's going to happen. So what do you see in maybe 5 to 10 years? Where do you think the manufacturing reps are going to be?
Well, I mean, our model's a little bit different, right? We're a mixed mode. We have both our own manufacturing and we're an OEM of sensors. We're a manufacturer of boards. We're also a manufacturer's representative. The core of my group is that representative organization. I think we always are going to be reevaluating what our value is.
Yeah.
And that's the principals and to the customers. As long as there are a lot of suppliers out there, they're going to need help accessing customers. I think what's going to change a lot and what's changed the industry a lot is the technology. And it's really important that we embrace technology to access customers, automate the sales process. So from my point of view, we're still not quite there yet, but I think whoever figures out how to automate the process better and make it more easy for our customers and manufacturers to get to know each other and find value in their products, that person will win. And I think the rep organization has a great opportunity to do that. We need to embrace the technology as fast as our manufacturers are as well. And the manufacturers in many cases are doing that.
Yeah.
And then there's concern about the term is disintermediation and even the distributors may find a concern there as well, because certain manufacturers are going directly to the customers.
Yeah.
And so there is a piece of that we should all be aware of. I believe though that if we find new ways to add value, the rep organization will continue to thrive and grow. And as long as there are new companies that are developing new products, they're going to need to find ways to market.
Yeah. So that's good, right? That's the future for the manufacturing reps. Yeah. If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.